Perform the indicated operation if possible. The quotient of negative 7 minus the absolute value of negative 6 plus 2 and negative 5 minus negative 4. As we look at this quotient bar is a grouping symbol in itself. So we're going to simplify the numerator and denominator separately and divide as the last step. In the numerator, let's start inside this absolute value bar with negative 6 plus 2. Writing the entire numerator, negative 7 minus then the absolute value of negative 4. In the denominator, negative 5 minus a negative 4. Let's go ahead and write that as a negative 5 plus 4 for now. Back to the numerator. The absolute value of negative 4 is 4, so the numerator becomes negative 7 minus 4. The denominator, negative 5 plus 4, is negative 1. Now in the numerator, negative 7 minus 4, you can think of that minus sign as plus a negative. That gives negative 11 over negative 1, and the quotient of negative 11 and negative 1 is positive 11.